10th song.
So here cube root of 3 means order of the third is 3, fourth root of 4 order of the third is 4. Now we should decide which is the greatest one. So cube root of 3 can be written as 3 to the power 1 by 3. Fourth root of 4 is nothing but 4 to the power 1 by 4. Here order is 3, here order is 4. So LCM of this order we have to take. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So let us make both orders same, that is 12. So 3 to the power 1 by 3. If you want to make this order 12, multiply and divide by 4. 4 to the power 1 by 4. To make the order 12, multiply and divide by 3. So it will become 3 to the power 4 by 12. 4 to the power 3 by 12. Now here order is 12, here also order is 12. We can write like this: 12th root of 3 to the power 4. This we can write 12th root of 4 to the power 3. So 12th root of 3 to the power 4 means it is 81. 12th root of 4 cube is 64. Now both the surds are having same order 12. So now you can decide which is the greatest one. So 81 is the greatest one. 81 means first one. Therefore cube root of 3 is greater than 4 root of 4. So if you want to know which is the greatest one, so first you have to make their orders same. If the order is same, then you can decide which is the greatest one. Now second one, which is greater, square root of 5 or fourth root of 15. Here square root of 5 means 5 to the power 1 by 2. Fourth root of 15 means 15 to the power 1 by 4. Here the order is 2, here the order is 4. So LCM of these two orders we have to take, that is LCM is 4. So let us make both orders same. So it is 5 to the power 1 by 2. If you want to make it 4, multiply and divide by 2. 15 to the power 1 by 4. If you want to make it order 4, already 4 is there, so multiply and divide by 1. So it is 5 to the power 2 by 4. It is 15 to the power 1 by 4. Here order is same for both, so we can write 4th root of 5 square. This is 4th root of 15 to the power 1. 4th root of 5 square is 25. 4th root of 15. Now both the surds are having the same order. So if the order is same, now you can see the number present inside. So 25 is greater than 15. So this number is greater than this. That means first number square root of 5 is greater than 4th root of 15. Right, let us write last problem in this model. Which is greater, 4th root of 5 or cube root of 4? Here order of the third is 4, here the order is 3. So 4th root of 5 can be written as 5 to the power 1 by 4. Cube root of 4 can be written as 4 to the power 1 by 3. Now LCM of this 4 and 3, LCM of this 4 and 3 is 12. So let us make both the orders same, that is 12. So 5 to the power 1 by 4, if you want to make it 12, multiply and divide by 3. 4 to the power 1 by 3, to make it 12, multiply and divide by 4. So it is 5 to the power 3 by 12 and 4 to the power 4 by 12. Now both the surds are having same order 12. So you can write 12th root of 5 cube. This is 12th root of 4 to the power 4. 5 cube is 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 4 to the power 4, 256. So here both the surds are having the same order. So you see the number present inside the root. Here 125, 256. So 256 is greater than this. So second number, cube root of 4 is greater than 4th root of 5. Write example 4. Simplify 4 root 3 minus 3 into root 12 plus 2 root 75. So first let us simplify the number 4 root 3. This we cannot simplify, keep as it is. 3, 12 can be written as 4 into 3 plus 2 root 75 can be written as 25 into 3. So it is 4 root 3 minus 3 into root 4. We know root 4 is 2. So if you take it out, it will become 2 into root 3 plus 2 into root 25 is 5 into root 3. So it is 4 root 3 minus 3 2 is 6 root 3 plus 2 5 is 10 root 3. Now root 3 if you take common, we will get 4 minus 6 plus 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. So the answer is 8 root 3. So if the surds are similar surds there, so similar surds we can add and we can subtract. So these are similar surds, 4 root 3, 6 root 3, 10 root 3. If plus is there, you have to add. If minus is there, you have to subtract. So similar surds can be added or can be subtracted. Now example 5. Simplify 4 root 12 minus root 50 minus 7 root 48. So if factorization is possible, let us write the factors. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 50 can be written as 25 into 2. 48 can be written as 16 into 3. So this 4 square root of 4 we know 2 it is, so you can take it out, it is 2 root 3 minus square root of 25 is 5, so it is 5 root 2 minus 7 into 16 square root is 4. So it is 4 root 3. 4 2s are 8 root 3 minus 5 root 2 minus 7 4s are 28 root 3. Here we can take root 3 common in those two terms. First and last term we can take root 3 common. So it will become 8 minus 28 and this is 5 root 2 as this. 8 minus 28 is minus 20 root 3 minus 5 root 2. These two are called dissimilar surds. We cannot add them, we cannot subtract them. So keep as it is. So minus 20 root 3 minus 5 root 2 is the answer. Right, next question. Rationalize the numerator of rationalize the numerator of 3 minus root 5 plus x by x minus 4. Here numerator is a surd, it is a mixed surd. Now we have to convert it to a rational number. So 3 minus root 5 plus x by x minus 4. Numerator rationalizing factor is 3 plus root 5 plus x. So let us multiply and divide by the rationalizing factor of the numerator. Numerator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. B means root 5 plus x. So b square. Denominator we write as it is. Here 3 square is 9. Here root and square get cancelled. Here minus is there. Keep bracket and write that term 5 plus x by x minus 4 into 3 plus root 5 plus x. Now open the bracket. 9 minus 5 minus x by x minus 4 into 3 plus root 5 plus x. 9 minus 5 is, it is 4 minus x by x minus 4 into 3 plus root 5 plus x. Here 4 minus x is there, here x minus 4 is there. From a minus b, if you take minus 1 common, it will become b minus a. So I am taking minus 1 common, so that 4 minus x will become x minus 4. Denominator is also having x minus 4. So this x minus 4 you can cancel. So the answer is minus 1 by 3 plus root 5 plus x. Rationalize the numerator of root of 1 plus b minus 1 by b. So here numerator is root 1 plus b minus 1. Rationalizing factor of the numerator is root 1 plus b plus 1. So let us multiply and divide by the rationalizing factor of the numerator. Numerator is a minus b into a plus b form. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So root 1 plus b whole square minus 1 square. Denominator you write as it is root 1 plus b plus 1. Now here root and square get cancelled. It will be 1 plus b minus 1 by b into root 1 plus b plus 1. This minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Now numerator is b by b into root 1 plus b plus 1. Now you can cancel b. So the answer is right. Next one, if 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3, then find the value of a and b. Here given condition is 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Here it is a mixed surd. This is also a mixed surd. Now if you simplify LHS and if you express in the form of a plus b root 3, then on comparing we will get a value, b value. So let us rationalize this. 2 plus root 3. Denominator rationalizing factor is 2 plus root 3. So multiply and divide by the rationalizing factor of the denominator. Now numerator is 2 plus root 3 to 2 plus root 3. So it is 2 plus root 3 whole square. Denominator a minus b into a plus b form. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab by 2 square is 4, root 3 whole square is 3. Here 2 square is 4, root 3 whole square is 3. 2 2s it is 4 root 3 by 1 it is. Now 4 plus 3 is it is 7 plus 4 root 3 LHS. Right side it is a plus b root 3. Now if you compare on both sides, on comparing we will get a is equal to 7. Here b root 3 is there, here 4 root 3 is there. You can cancel root 3 so that b value is 4.